At the inaugural International Civil Service Conference held in Abuja, Mr. Aig-Imoukhuede, co-founder of the Aig-Imoukhuede Foundation, called for the formulation and implementation of inclusive policies to advance sustainable regional development. Speaking through a panel session organized by the Office of the Head of the Civil Service of the Federation, Mr. Aig-Imoukhuede emphasized the critical role of stakeholders in shaping effective governance and inclusive growth. Imoukhuede said there is a need to ensure that we put the right policies in place that will promote development in our region. His remarks underscore a broader call to action for both public and private sectors to work in synergy toward policies that foster equity and national transformation. The conference brought together leading voices in governance, policies, and civil service reform, reaffirming to commitment to building a resilient and inclusive future for Nigeria and the wider region.
But that nation learns how to open itself up, learns how to vision with others, learns how to make people have confidence in it, and learns how that beyond oil, actually in these deserts, by riding camels with your friend, by drinking juice in the night over roasted meats, we could build an oasis in the desert that the whole world will come. In every state, Niger, Cross River, Osun, Zamfara, this dream of Dubai can be a reality. It means that we must remember, be passionate, really passionate and committed to that reality. If you have the passion, if you have the commitment, in a world of so much power, resources, and capacity, what you need to do is attract it to come and work with you, to feel the power of humanity, and to transform the humanity in your locality. Our existence as people in Nigeria, that will be transformed insofar as we address the management issue, the management of the policy, the management of the sector, the area that we are dealing with. It will transform. That it happens, it can happen. But what we need to do is come together, so it's happening in many places at the same